Introducing the ultimate travel companion for your international adventures. Say hello to the travel plug adapter with a 7-in-1 plug converter and a convenient carrying case. This is designed for simplicity. Just press and push the button to release the plug for any country you're visiting. And when you're done, simply press and push back the button to retract the plug. This adapter features 4 USB ports and 2 USB-A ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you're in a hotel, bedroom, or dorm, this adapter is perfect for all your charging needs. So why wait? Get your international travel plug adapter today and stay connected wherever you go.